All right, guys, May 6th, we just got to our job of the day. We're out here in Roswell, Georgia. I came out here about 3 weeks ago, did a consultation. They booked about a week later for today. We're going to be doing about 1,200 square feet screen and recoating with UV curing. Also some color correction. The movers are actually here moving the furniture because we're doing 2 levels. I just left the project out in Brazelton, getting some videos and pictures. We got a 2,800 square feet with stairs, full sanding. So I'll team up with one of my network partners, Reginald Williams, him and his crew. They're sanding and staining the floors and coating, and then we do the UV curing. So let me show you what we got going today. All right, so we're not doing none of this. So these are the floors we're going to be doing, guys. So the movers are about done. Hello, hello. What's up, guys?
What's going on?
Oh, John, what's up, John? You cut your hair.
You seen me last time without it.
I didn't realize it. All right, cool. So y'all already got everything moved from upstairs?
Yeah, he's moved from the last bedroom.
Okay.
Everything pretty much.
What was the client in the basement? Are they gone?
Oh, you said
The client?
She's either in the back or...
In the back?
I think she's upstairs.
Upstairs, okay. All right, guys. So those are the moving guys. Jaw Christian. Those are the guys that I recommend. They actually moved the furniture yesterday for the sanding that the guys are starting today in Chateau Lawn. So we're going to be doing this room. This room right here, they're moving the furniture. Got some color correction right here we're going to be doing. Hey, Lillian, nice to see you again. All right. What's up, man? Nice to see you again. This room right here. Now, we do have a little flower plant stain. She does know that might not come out.
And the other one, we have several doors under there, but they forgot about it.
They did? Okay.
Yeah. And I know, it may not come out.
Yes, ma'am. And then upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms. They're moving so what we're gonna do, guys, is start upstairs first. We got the masters. Might try to add some color back here, like they had something here they didn't finish. So we got the masters. And then we have 3 more bedrooms here. All right, cool. All right, guys, this is perfect timing. So the movers, we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna start upstairs first, work ourselves down. Stay tuned.
Roswell nights, shining floors under city lights. Truman came through, one-day magic.
Movers came early in the morning, house all empty, sunlight pouring. Furniture slid right off the floor. Client said I can't wait no more. Screen and recoat, color correction. Floors came back in a new direction. UV lights got the room all glowing. One-day system, now the whole house showing. Suave, piso brillando otra vez. Roswell vibing. Todo limpio, todo fresh.
One-day shine,
One-day glow. UV curing got the whole floor cold. Color correction looking brand new.
Truman system coming through.
Oh, Roswell, Georgia. We bring the floors back to life. Same day,
Move back tonight.
same day. Piano keys while the buffer spin. Luxury finish settling in. Soft reflections on the hardwood grain. Now the whole house feel brand new again. No sand and dust all through the air. Just smooth, clean coats with extra care. Neighbors looking like, who did that? Truman one day got the magic touch back.
You may know floor, Hikari glow. Truman magic, Sugoya. One-day shine,
One-day glow. UV curing got the whole floor cold. Color correction looking brand new.
Truman system coming through.
Oh, color correction.
UV cure,
One day,
that Truman flow.
All right, guys, we down to the final touch. My client just got back. Lillian, I'm not gonna say nothing. I want you to go take a look at it.
Yeah, so look.
Look at that.
Looks awesome.
Thank you. Remember how it was really worn right here?
Yes. Yes, look.
Yeah. Look at that in there.
Whoa. Awesome.
Thank you. Then we got the upstairs done. So we're doing the UV cure now down to the last part. But this color correction came out amazing.
Yes. Yes.
Awesome. Hey, Christian, I just talked to Christian. He said they'll be back by 6:37 to start moving the furniture back.
Yes. Yeah. He called me.
Uh-huh. Oh, he already called you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
He probably already said 70 was the right for.
Okay. Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, guys. We are done. Look at these floors now. Floors came out amazing. We did some color correction all up in here. A lot of missing color through the
Yes.
hallway. Remember right here, guys, you go to the deck, came out beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And also, let's go take a look at the upstairs. The stair upstairs wasn't bad.
The one is the one that one I didn't see was a vase there. Somebody put it out.
Yes.
And I didn't see until probably a few days later.
Yep. Masters.
Yeah, that was there. Oh, that's the mount.
Yeah, yeah, right there. Yes, ma'am. I added some more color to that for you.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, guys.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
I appreciate you. Lillian did find me on Google
And that's the price you pay, right?
and watch my videos. And here we are, guys. Floors are looking amazing. All right, so the movers are going to come back this afternoon. It's about 5 o'clock, and we got here about 11. They was just now wrapping up the furniture moving. And we also did the stairs. She added the stairs as well. All right, guys. Sometimes I impress myself. That color correction came out amazing. Amazing. Floors are UV cured. Dogs, furniture, rugs, kids, everything get right back on the floors today. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.